A very pleasant morning to all present here. Thank you for being with us today on the 6th episode of Rink Product Showcase. Rink is Research Innovation Network Kerala, a project by Kerala Startup Mission to translate research products into successful commercial ventures. Rink is formed to support technology products in the research labs to be commercialized and can be open to industries and startups. The Demo Day is designed as a series of product showcases from selected research institutions. We'll have Demo Days every month. Today, we have the Rink Demo Day hosted by Mahatma Gandhi University and also supported by Thai Kerala, our industry partner. We extend a very warm welcome to all the dignitaries from MG University, the speakers, and the participants for the day. We are starting our day today with the opening remarks and the overview and the opportunities in the MG University by Dr. Radhakrishnan EK for technology products, followed by a product demo by the innovators. A very few words about Dr. Radhakrishnan EK. He's currently working as assistant professor at School of Biosciences of Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam, and as director Business Innovation and Incubation Center, BIIC, and also as Joint Director of Inter-University Center for Organic Farming and Sustainable Agriculture, and also Food Safety Quality Evaluation Laboratory, Mahatma Gandhi University. He has completed his doctoral degree from Rajiv Gandhi Center for Biotechnology, Thiruvananthapuram in 2008 and postdoctoral studies from the University of Tokyo, Japan in 2010. His research areas include plant microbe interactions, microbial natural products, microbial synthesis of metal nanoparticles, antimicrobial resistance, gene prediction, and development of polymer-based nanocomposites with antimicrobial effects for food packing and medical applications. Without taking any more of your time, I would now like to invite Dr. Radhakrishnan EK for the opening remarks and talk about the MG University opportunities and overview so that you all will be able to know what is happening with respect to the research there. Sir, please.
Thank you, Madam. Our most respected Vice Chancellor Arvind Kumar sir is also here. So first I request Arvind Kumar sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We warmly welcome you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. I think Dr. Radhakrishnan, you can just introduce about this and then I will talk.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah. So first of all, on behalf of Mahatma Gandhi University, for the entire university, we express our most sincere thanks to Kerala Startup Mission, especially to Ria sir and Shalini madam for their continuous support to us. And as you all know, Mahatma Gandhi University is a leading state university. And these are the opportunities that Startup Mission is giving to us for expanding our activities, especially to translate our research work and also translational research innovations for the benefit of society, and also for making or adding value to the same by supporting startups and innovators. And so we express our most sincere thanks to Startup Mission. And now about the university, I will just go through a presentation. Madam, slides are clear now?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay. So we are from the Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam. So about the university, we are a leading university, and this university was established in 1983, and the university stands for academic excellence and is most remarkable for its academic excellence and international recognition. And with a special thanks to our Vice Chancellor, Professor Sabu Thomas sir, and as we all know, sir is coming under the top 2% of scientists worldwide. So under his leadership, and also with the support from our respected Pro Vice Chancellor Aravind Kumar Sir, we are now making a significant lead in our academic contribution. And our university is having NAC accreditation with the A grade with a CGPA value of 3.24. And about the other ranking position, our ranking position is 31st in NIRF, and also our ranking with respect to the adult ranking. So which is especially for innovation startup related activities, we are coming under 3 at the national level in the category of non-technical university. So we are into the academic excellence, and we are into the significant lead. We are making significant contribution in various space, as it is again evidenced by the other rankings. Like we are in the world's best ranking by best young university with a 142 rank. Times Asia University ranking is 154. Best State University Chancellor's Award, we got the award for 3 times, 2020, 2018, and 2016. We are continuously maintaining our academic status in the best way. Then in the Times Higher Education ranking, World University ranking, we are in 702 position and 15th among Indian universities. And also MG University is ranked 101 among world universities in the developing economy. So we are located at Kottayam, and we have 23 university departments and 18 centers, including inter-university center and the inter-school center, then 277 affiliated colleges and approximately 273 recognized research centers. So our experience basically in the innovation, now we are coming back to the innovation related activities that are supported at NG University. The major activity is supported through the Center, Business Innovation and Incubation Center, which was established in 2016. And the big mainly conduct activities related to all of these agencies, including activities of IEDC of Startup Mission, then by supporting KDISC activity, then innovation and entrepreneurship development, IEDC activity, then institutions innovation council related activities, and all these activities are conducted mainly through BIG. And we conduct various training programs and various programs to support students, and these are some of the awards that we gave for students for innovative leads in identifying the problems or research contributions which can be converted into products or which are having translation potential. And at the same time, we also support IPR, and so far almost 22 patents filed during the last 4 years, and with the 1 granted. And we got many awards, especially for the innovation and entrepreneurship related activities for the both students and faculty. Almost 10 awards we could get in various programs funded by DSC, AICT, and other agencies also. And we have incubation support with a minimal facility, and we are MSME recognized incubator. And we are also starting a MOOC course on entrepreneurship to provide to share the like support to the students, and also to extend our activities across various regions. And we have a startup policy. We also developed or implemented or sanctioned the startup policy is there, and this policy is now at the stage of revision as per NISP, National Innovation and Startup Policy of Government of India. We are trying to modify the current startup policy with, by comparing with the NISP. And this is another unique feature with our university, because as you can see, we have almost 200 MOUs across the world. So this is internationalization of Mahatma Gandhi University, and we have academic network across the globe in terms of research collaboration, consultancy, teaching, learning, and also with most of the leading universities across the globe, we have collaboration. And these are some of the existing facilities. And we encourage the triple helix of the model of university, industry, and government, and which is supported mainly through the Business Innovation and Incubation Center, which was established in 2016. And this was supported by the state government. And also recently, we are initiating another support mechanism through NGO Innovation Foundation, which was started in 2019, and the building and other facilities are now almost ready to conduct the activity. And this was initiated with support from RUSA. And this MGU Innovation Foundation is now functioning as a Section 8 company under the Companies Act. And so we are providing all the support to innovators. And this is a newly constructed academia convergence building where we are trying to bring all the instrumentation facility in a single, under a single umbrella as a centralized facility, so that mainly we are trying to make this under a single umbrella for the benefit of startups and to translate our academic expertise to provide access to the industrial service also. So this is MGU Innovation Foundation, and these are the various programs that we conduct. And we also are into development of many products for different applications ranging from agriculture, then rural development, and so on. And with the COVID-19, with the emergence of COVID-19, we also played an important role in establishment of COVID-19 lab at different places in Kerala. And we have School of Biosciences, International and University Center for Nanoscience and Nanotechnology, IUCBR, and we collaborate with the medical college and healthcare industries also. Now we are into healthcare related innovation and startups also to promote COVID-triggered need for healthcare innovation, to provide state-of-the-art facility in innovation ecosystem with increasing demand, networking with academia and industry for innovative healthcare products and application, and also to make or convert India, especially our state, as an innovation hub. So this is our industrial collaborations, and we have a pool of mentors, especially for startups. We have a pool of mentors from academic mentor, industrial collaborator, and we are networking with various agencies also. So we have academic mentor from institutions, affiliated institutions, alumni, experts from other universities and institutions, both national and international. Then we have industrial partnership for mentoring and marketing. And networking we are carrying out with different agencies for getting fund to support the startups. And we are also a member of a Confederation of Indian Industry, and we have collaboration with different industries. As mentioned, you can see the Aptech, Swakit Biotech, MRF, CET, Versia, Apollo Tires, and a range of industries like startup companies. We have collaboration. International companies, we have collaboration. We have collaboration with a wide range of industries ranging from agriculture to medicine. And also we conduct frequent meeting or interaction with industry, and this is industry academia meet that conducted in 2019. And due to COVID-19 issues, we could not carry out this meeting frequently, but now we are back into the same, and we are trying to organize many industry related meetings, interaction meetings in the March also. And these are some of the startups that we are now supported at NG University, and this include Interiors Biotech, where the agricultural products are developed, A-grade tools for agricultural application, Calabria Labs, which produce different products, and these products are now available in the market also. Then another eco-loving advancement, ILA, that is also for producing many products for especially bags, natural material-based bags and materials. Then Dia Herbal Pharmaceutics, and then Tysion, then Versia, then recently Gospa from biologicals also. So these are some of the startup companies that we support. And as I already mentioned, now we have the MGU Innovation Foundation, which is now establishing, and this is a two-storied building. You can see the facilities which are established or is at the establishing stage, and we are trying to convert this into a technology business incubator at MGU University. And the current facilities are mainly available, especially for developing mobile applications or app factories there, and then advanced instrumentation facilities for healthcare products, designing of healthcare products, and high computer performance facility and related facilities are now there. And also we have instrument for 3D printing is now going to establish, and also the instrumentation facilities for the bulk production of micro and nano cellulose is ready, which are the emerging material which are having important applications in various industries also. So these are the overview of our, especially focusing on our activities related to innovation and startups and our academic leads. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. That was the presentation about the opportunities of MG University. Now let's move to the highlight of the day, the demo. 8 products from MG University, as Sir said, will be showcased today, and the respective product innovators will be sharing the product opportunities one by one. Requesting all of our guests and participants to interact with each presenter soon after each of their presentation. A 7-minute product presentation followed by 3 minutes interaction is planned for each product. First, we will have Mr. Siko Jose for the presentation for the product, a value addition for the residual pineapple leaves at Kerala. So welcome, Mr. Siko Jose.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And my slides are visible?
You have started the screen share. That is a message that is coming up. And yes, now we can see.
Okay, I'll keep in slideshow mode. Yeah, is it in slideshow mode now?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Chandana, and Dr. Shalini for inviting me for this presentation. Myself, Siko Jose. I am doing my PhD at School of Chemical Science under Professor Sabu Thomas. Basically, I'm a scientist at the Central Sheep and Wool Research Institute, Rajasthan. And I'm working, and currently I took 3 years leave for doing my PhD. So as a part of my research work, which I conducted a few years back, the main research area, my background is textile chemistry. So I am much interested in textile fibers. So I have done some interesting research on pineapple leaf fibers few years back, and I am doing the extension over here. The idea is to extract the textile quality fibers from pineapple leaves. As you know, Kerala is well established in the pineapple cultivation, especially in Thrissur, Ernakulam, Kottayam, everywhere pineapple cultivation is there, and we are having a pineapple research institute as well. So what people are doing is that after cultivating every 3 years, the plants are uprooted and the leaves are cut, and it will be left over there in the field only. Otherwise, some of them are giving these leaves as a cattle feed. So as of now, there is no value addition for the leaves. So my plan is to give a value addition to the leaves. The work plan is that to extract the first, we will take the pineapple leaves which is available from the field, and that will be taken to an extraction machine. I will show you the photo or images of the extraction machine. And the extracted fibers they are having 2 markets. One is directly going for the textile industry, and second one is fiber industry. So the residue can be after extraction of fibers, the residue, the biomass, which can be given as a cattle feed or biocompost. Okay, so this is the thing. So the current status, as I told you, that currently people are not using this, farmers especially, they are not using. Sometimes they are burning, and sometimes they are giving as a cattle feed. So there is an essentiality of the waste management among all the farmers, how this huge waste can be managed. Okay, so here we are having 2 stakeholders, Mahatma Gandhi University and Pineapple Research Center, Vadapuram. The HOD, Dr. Maya, is very supportive to this project. I have an initial conversation with her, and she extended all the supports. And before proposing this work, as I told you, I have done some research on that one, and we are extracting the pineapple leaves in MG University campus using a decortication machine. But currently the decortication machine is having a very low efficiency, but quality is good. So this is the basic statistics of the pineapple fiber leaves and everything in Kerala. This is coming around the 7,000 to 8,000 plants are planted per acre of land in Kerala. General farmers are generally preferred to cultivate Mauritius variety, and the area of cultivation is under around 10,000 hectare. The one mature leaves is weighing around 40 to 50 gram, and fiber is very less. It is coming around 1.2 1.4%. So this is the machine which I designed over here, and currently it is established in MG University. So this machine, this is the fiber. In the right side, you can see the fiber, which is extracted from the pineapple leaves. So the problem is that, as I told you, that this machine what we are having is obviously it is producing very good quality, but the efficiency is less. So we are trying to manipulate a coir fiber extraction machine, and we took some trials, and it is giving good fiber quality is good also, but it is entangled and short fibers. The first machine is giving fine long fibers. Now this machine I am trying to develop it in accordance with the our requirements, so that we can run pineapple leaf fiber inside that one. And this is capacity of the machine. We can keep around 1,000 kg leaves per day. That is the production capacity, and the price of leaf fiber is around 600. So this 10,000 kg leaves per day means it will give around 12 kg of fibers, because the yield, as I told you, it is only 1.2 or 1.4%. So yield is less, so that even if you are processing 1,000 kg of leaves per day, you will get around 12 to 13 kilo of fiber. And currently the market's price is around 600 rupees per kilogram. So these are some of the research publication on pineapple leaf fibers, mainly on journals, scientific journals like Journal of Natural Fiber, Cleaner Production, like that. Thank you. Any questions?
Participants are requested to ask questions. Or you, okay, you can raise your hand so that we can allow you to talk. Or if you have questions, you can put it in the chat box so that we'll read it out for you. Francis, sir, you can now.
Is it audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, it's a very nice idea. Yeah, I would like to know what all are the predicted problems that you will be going to face once you are trying to execute this. For example, if you have a farmer to give us all the waste which is having in the field, what will be he will be getting in return? Is there any proportionate value system that you are going to give them a portion so that they can be taken benefited?
Yeah, currently, as I told you, the farmers, what they are doing is that they are simply after cultivation they are just uprooting, or they after that it will be burnt, or it will be given as a cattle feed. So I am purchasing these leaves at the rate of 3 rupees per kg. So they are including transportation. So in each and every week I am getting 600 kilogram of leaves, which is giving around 1,800 rupees to the farmers. So the farmers are benefited if we are able to give a value addition to this, because each kilogram of leaf is costing around 3 rupees currently. Am I clear?
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you.
Sorry, sir. Yeah, please.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes.
we can hear you.
So my name is MD Matthew. I am from St. Kitts College of Engineering. It's a very interesting and innovative piece of work. I joined little late, so the first part of the presentation I was not able to, I have not attended. I am curious to know whether you have evaluated the strength of these fibers.
Which strength? Yes, strength of the fiber is at par with the strength of jute fiber. It's coming around 24 grams per text.
And some of the fibers, you can increase the strength by drying or by some other process in certain chemicals or whatever.
Yeah, degumming is an option where we can go for slightly increasing the strength of the fiber, because once we are extracting the fiber, there is a gum content. So this gum content is sticking.
Okay.
With each fiber is sticking because of this gum content. So we have to do the degumming, like we can give a simple water boiling, or even it's slight detergent washing will also work. It will obviously slightly it will increase the fiber strength.
So that means so when you do that, the gum comes out. So is it safe to assume that the fiber itself is a composite, because you have the reinforcement, which is the fiber per se, and then you have the the gum or the whatever you say.
Sir, gum content is not that much. It is just we cannot say that just like other fibers like rami or silk, that much gum is not there. Only very small quantity. So this gum is just adhering to fibers. So if you want to run this fiber for textile industry, or if you want to make a yarn out of this one, the fibers, if the fibers is like this, it should be separated. Okay, so the gum is adhering these two fibers. So there should be a degumming process, which will obviously it will remove the gum content, so the fiber to fiber separation will be possible. Then only you can go for a textile processing, like making of yarn and further making of fabric.
So once you separate the fibers further, what will be the smallest? What will be the diameter of the smallest fiber that you will be able to separate? So basically, you are saying it's a bundle of fibers. The fiber what we see is basically a bundle of fibers. Am I right?
Hello. Yeah. Sir, you are asking for about the.
Yeah, you said the fiber can be further split, separated into small fibers, right?
Yeah, sir, you are asking for about. No, I am extracting using this particular machine. I am getting long fiber. So if you want to make it short, then you can cut into required sizes.
No, not in terms of length, but diameter. My question is related to
diameter. It is coming around 40 microns.
At the final stage, is it? After separation?
Yes, after separation.
So that is the smallest diameter that you get.
Not smallest, it is average, because as you know, we are doing the average. So it is coming 35 to 40 microns.
Okay. In the process, there will be a, always variation, scatter band will be there.
Right. Because it is a natural fiber. No? So obviously there will be a lot of variation will be there in terms of fiber length, diameter, and everything.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Somebody asked one question. I think Donna Thomas. Are you there? She's asking, could you please explain how the fiber strength is tested? Okay. Now, for testing the fiber strength, what you need to do is that first we have to clean the fiber first. Then we have to comb it to remove any impurities present in the fiber. After that, that will be separated in small bunches. Say 5 replicas will be made. Okay. Now this 5 replica, we are feeding in a particular machine. It's known as stellometer. So in that stellometer, we are feeding this small fiber bunches, and the stellometer will cut the fiber. Okay. Now the force required to cut the fiber is measured, and it is taken as the strength of the fiber. So this machine name is a stellometer, and this is not available in MG University. It is available in many textile institutes. It's a very common machine. So this is how bundle strength is measured, because natural fibers generally, unlike synthetic fibers, we are not measuring single fiber, because there is a lot of variation between fiber to fiber in the natural fibers. So it is always better to take a bunch of fiber and a bundle strength that will give the average strength of the fiber. So that will always preferred for pineapple also. Any other questions?
If there are no more questions, can we move to the next presentation? Thank you, Mr. Siko Jose, for the wonderful presentation. Let's move on to the next presenter, Dr. Shijo Joy. His product is BioStraw from an invasive plant. Welcoming you for the demo.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you. Hi. Mr. Shijo Joy?
Yes. My slides are visible?
No. Yeah, it is actually coming up. Yes.
Okay.
Can you put it in a full screen mode? Towards the end, there is a slideshow button.
Yes.
Yes.
Hello, is it in a full screen mode now?
No, it is not.
Okay, sorry.
Can you click to that? The slide screen. Yeah.
Now is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Okay. So the name of my product is a BioStraw, which is from an invasive plant. And my name is Shijo Joy. I'm a research scholar in MG University School of Environmental Science and Management. First, we can talk about the problem. What is the problem we have to face? That is plastic pollution. That is, plastic straws are one of the top 5 items collected from beaches. Straws and other plastic harm sea life, including fishes and coral reefs. These all are facts that we know. And about 90% of seabirds and 30% of turtles have plastics in their stomach. And how my product solves this problem? That is, our straws are made from a plant which is scientifically named as Pendisetum polysaccharide, which is commonly seen in tropical countries and also in our nearby places. As it is a plant-based material, it is completely organic and biodegradable. Next is about the product and its features. This plant, that is Pendisetum polysaccharide, it is considered as an invasive plant, which is invasion and in Kerala and other nearby places. And by producing this straw from this plant, we can reduce the invasion, and we can provide an employment opportunities to these marginal communities. That is the primary steps of the collection, and this primary step of the production of the straw requires major labor opportunities. Also, we can provide them employment opportunities to marginal communities and to some household ladies and all. And next, we are blending both technology and traditional knowledge for this production of this straws. That is, we are using curcumin extract for providing antimicrobial resistance to these straws, and also we are using technological applications like in the sterilization and other needs. Next, we all know that straws, the application of these straws, that is range from hospitals to places. So there will be a wide market, or there will be a wide range of markets for this kind of products. And we also know that countries are banning single-use plastic items. Kerala has banned in 2020 also. They have banned single-use plastic items, and our nationwide is also planning to ban that is single-use plastic items from July 1st. So there will be a wide range of application, or there will be a market for this kind of biodegradable plastic, biodegradable products. These are the majors of the product, that is the straws, and this some I have produced some prototypes and have displayed in some conference that have done in our universities. Current status of the product: currently this product is under development stage. There is some antimicrobial treatments that have to be done to increase shelf life and storage. That we are using natural or organic curcumin extract for this, improve this antimicrobial properties, and the expiry time of completion about 6 months. These are the contact details. Thank you. Hello.
Yes, sir. Thank you. The floor is now open for questions. Sir, just to know about the product, have you commercialized this product?
No. We cannot commercialize this. We are just under the development stage.
It is in the development stage. Okay. Sir, can we go back to the previous slide? Okay. Sir, what is the shelf life period of this product?
That is, we are getting a shelf life period of above 6 months that now we are getting, and we are trying to increase its antimicrobial properties and also to increase the shelf life by adding some, that is curcumin extract and other some extracts, that is plant-based extract. So we can increase its shelf life above 6 months.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, is there any chance that we can add some flexibility property to this? Because sometimes the straw needs to be flexible, right?
Yes, but this, as it is a plant material, there we are just now we are not adding any flexibility studies. We have not conducted any studies about this flexibility, all that things. So we are not exactly sure about that.
Can you just comment on the availability of raw material, the processing time, and also the production cost when compared to the markets, which is already there, products which is already there in the market?
Okay. Product that is raw material is easily available in all places. That is, as it is an invasive plant, it is available in all districts. That is 14 districts in Kerala, and only the main that is labor charge is the main cost behind this work. That is the collection of these materials needs that is labor. So the labor cost will be some more, but we can, as it is a raw materials is free, we can produce or we can give the straws in less than the straws available in our area. That is, paper straws are ranging from about 1 to 2 rupees or 3 rupees, and all other plastic, all other biodegradable straws, like there are wheat straws, bamboo straws, and all straws very much, that is 3 to 4 rupees. But there will be no cost for raw materials for the straw, but we so we can give it in a price range of 1 to 2 rupees or 1/2. That's the price range we are calculating.
I think the material that you use, we call it in Malayalam as poda, right? It's a
Yes, yes.
cattle feed. It's a common cattle feed.
Yes, yes.
So is there any probability that if you go for a commercialization, the shortage of this particular item will be there for cattle? I was just
No,
having a exaggerated prediction, but still, I don't
only the
think
leaves.
that because the people who are having in the village areas of Kerala, they know this poda very well. But right now it's in a verge of extinction. Only the people who have cattle is taking it as a farming system, and they are making it for their own cattle. We cannot find this poda on all common places. That's why I asked.
Sir, only leaves of these plants are given to this cattles, and its stem is little bit that is like thick. Cattles can eat it, but they are not commonly preferring this thick. That is the stem for these cattles, and but it's widely available in all these areas. That's why we have seen it in. We are not just commercializing. That is for cattle feeders. We are using other leaves like N18. Some there are other grass based, that is plants, but these podas, that is not basically given to cattle. Only leaves are given. So these stems will be this will be act as a waste. So we are just using this product.
Do you have any mechanism, automated mechanism or mechanical production system to make this straw
No, no.
without the labor, manual?
Currently we are developing a production. It is in a manual stage, and we are planning to establish that is machinery or other type of things.
Anyway, it's a good idea because it's natural. Thank you and congrats.
Thanks.
We have a question from Surya Sudhir. Is there any coating applied on the straw, or is it available in the natural texture?
It's available in natural structure. This is a natural color of this plant. We are not added any coating, and there is no need of any coating. It's in a shiny structure.
Okay. If we have completed all the questions, we can move to the next presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Mr. Shiju Joy. Now I would like to welcome Mr. Ranjit Mahasanan from Calabria Labs for his presentation. Sir, please.
Hello.
Hello, sir. We can hear you.
Okay, പിന്നെ ഞാനൊരു സംശയം ചോദിച്ചോട്ടെ. എന്റെ കയ്യിൽ ലാപ്ടോപ്പ് ഇല്ല, അപ്പൊ ഈ പ്രസന്റേഷൻ ഒന്നും എന്റെ കയ്യിലില്ല. ഞാനിപ്പം എറണാകുളത്ത് വരെ പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. എന്റെ മൊബൈലാ ഉള്ളത്.
സർ, പ്രോഡക്റ്റിനെ പറ്റി പറയാൻ റെഡി ആണെങ്കിൽ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാം.
ആക്ച്വലി എന്റെ പേര് രഞ്ജിത്ത്. ഞാനിപ്പോ എം ജി യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി ടെക്നിക്കൽ അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് ആയിട്ട് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാണ്. അപ്പം ഞാനവിടെ അനാലിറ്റിക്കൽ ഇൻസ്ട്രുമെന്റ്സ് ഒക്കെയാണ് ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതായത് ഞാൻ 2014 അവിടെ ടെക്നിക്കൽ അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് ആയിട്ട് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തതാണ്. അപ്പം HPLC, GCMS, LCMS അങ്ങനത്തെ അനാലിറ്റിക്കൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഇൻസ്ട്രുമെന്റ് ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്യാണ്. അതിനു മുമ്പ് ഞാൻ ബാംഗ്ലൂരിൽ കുറച്ച് MNC കമ്പനികളിൽ R&D സെക്ഷനിൽ വർക്ക് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നതാണ്. അതായത് കോസ്മെറ്റിക്സ്, ന്യൂട്രാസ്യൂട്ടിക്കൽസ് അങ്ങനത്തെ സാധനങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന കമ്പനിയിലായിരുന്നു. അപ്പൊ അവിടെ വെച്ചുണ്ടായ കുറച്ച് ഐഡിയകൾ വെച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കുറെ കോസ്മെറ്റിക്സും ന്യൂട്രാസ്യൂട്ടിക്കൽസും ആണ് നമ്മൾ മെയിൻ ആയിട്ട് ടാർഗറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ഫോക്കസ് ചെയ്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ കോസ്മെറ്റിക്സിൽ കുറച്ച് സ്കിൻ വൈറ്റനിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്, പിന്നെ കൊളാജൻ പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ഉള്ളത്, അതായത് നമ്മുടെ ഈ സ്കിന്നിന്റെ ഇലാസ്റ്റിസിറ്റിയും ഒക്കെ പിന്നെ മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നതായിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് പ്രൊഡക്ട്സ്. പിന്നെ ന്യൂട്രാസ്യൂട്ടിക്കൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ കൊളസ്ട്രോള്, ഡയബറ്റീസ്, ഒബസിറ്റി അങ്ങനെയുള്ള കുറച്ച് പ്രോഡക്റ്റുകൾ, പിന്നെ ഷാംപൂസ്. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ കുറച്ച് പ്രോഡക്ട്സ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി അങ്ങനെ കുറച്ച് ഐഡിയ കിട്ടിയത് കൊണ്ട് അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തു വന്നതാണ്. അപ്പൊ നമുക്കിപ്പം ഒരു ഇതിന്റെ ലൈസൻസിന്റെ പ്രശ്നം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് കുറെ ഇഷ്യൂസ് ഉണ്ട് അതിന്റെ മാനുഫാക്ചറിങ് യൂണിറ്റുകളും. അപ്പൊ അത്ര, പിന്നെ മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ്, നമുക്കിപ്പോ ഒരു പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ഇറക്കിയാൽ തന്നെയും നല്ലൊരു പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ തന്നെ അതിന്റെ ഒരു പ്രോപ്പർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള നല്ല മാർക്കറ്റിംഗും കൊമേഴ്സ്യലും അഡ്വർടൈസ്മെന്റും ഇല്ലാതെ ഈ സംഭവം നമുക്ക് മാർക്കറ്റിൽ അത്ര ഈസി ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് കോമ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല മൾട്ടിനാഷണൽ കമ്പനികളുടെ. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ആദ്യം മാർക്കറ്റിൽ എൻ്റർ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പിന്നെ ആലോചിച്ചപ്പോൾ പിന്നെ ടോയ്ലറ്ററീസ് സെക്ഷൻ തുടങ്ങാമെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു. അപ്പം ഹാൻഡ് വാഷ്, ഡിഷ് വാഷ്, ലിക്വിഡ് ഡിറ്റർജന്റ് അങ്ങനത്തെ സംഭവം. അപ്പൊ അതിനകത്ത് ഇപ്പൊ ഇപ്പം കറന്റ് അവൈലബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ചില പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ ഉള്ള പ്രോഡക്ട്സിന്റെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇപ്പൊ ഡിഷ് വാഷ് ആണെങ്കിൽ അത് മിക്കവാർക്കും സ്കിന്നിനൊക്കെ പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടാകുന്നതായിരിക്കും. അപ്പൊ അതിനകത്ത് ലാബ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും മെയിൻ ആയിട്ട് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, ലീനിയർ ആർക്കൈൽ ബെൻസൈൻ സൾഫോണേറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. പിന്നെ അതിനെ ന്യൂട്രലൈസ് ചെയ്യാൻ സോഡിയം ഹൈഡ്രോക്സൈഡ്. അപ്പൊ ഈ സംഭവങ്ങളൊക്കെ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ യൂറിയ, ഇങ്ങനത്തെ സംഭവങ്ങളൊക്കെ സ്കിന്നിന് ഇറിറ്റേഷൻ ഉണ്ടാകുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ഈ ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസ് ഒക്കെ, മെയിൻ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസ് മാറ്റി നിർത്തിയിട്ട് വേറൊരു രീതിയിൽ ഫോർമുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ഇറക്കിയതാണ് ഈ ഡിഷ് വാഷ് സംഭവങ്ങളൊക്കെ. അപ്പൊ അതിപ്പോ നമ്മൾ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ ഇറക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. മാർക്കറ്റിൽ ഇറക്കി അത്യാവശ്യം കോട്ടയം മുതൽ ഒരു കൊല്ലം, ചാത്തന്നൂർ വരെ ചെറിയ കടകളിലും സൂപ്പർ മാർക്കറ്റുകളിലൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. അതിന് നല്ല റെസ്പോൺസും ഉണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ആ സെക്ഷനിൽ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ച സംഭവം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു കാർ ഷാമ്പു ആണ്. അതായത് ഇപ്പം നമുക്ക് കറന്റ് അവൈലബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള കാർ ഷാമ്പു എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ക്ലീൻ, പിന്നെ നമ്മളത് വൃത്തിയാവാന്നുള്ളതാണ്. പക്ഷെ നമ്മൾ അതിനകത്ത് ഈ പൊടി പറ്റാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയുള്ള ആന്റിസ്റ്റാറ്റിക് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസ് കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട്, അതായത് നമുക്കിപ്പം നമ്മൾ ഒരു 50 കിലോമീറ്റർ ഓടിയിട്ട് സാധാരണ ഒരു കാർ വരുമ്പോൾ അതിൽ പിടിക്കുന്ന പൊടിയും നമ്മൾ ഇത് വെച്ച് യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, ഇത് നമ്മൾ ഷാമ്പു ആയിട്ടല്ലാതെ ഒരു ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയുള്ള രീതിയിലും ഫോർമുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ലിക്വിഡ് ഡിറ്റർജന്റ്, അത് അനോണിക് സർഫാക്റ്റൻസും കുറച്ച് നോൺ അനോണിക് സർഫാക്റ്റൻസും കൂടെ നല്ല ഡിഗ്രി സൈസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വെച്ചിട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. അങ്ങനെ 4 പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ടോയ്ലറ്ററി സെക്ഷനിൽ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. പിന്നെ ഹാൻഡ് വാഷ് ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഹാൻഡ് വാഷിന് വലിയ പ്രത്യേകതകളൊന്നുമില്ല. ഹാൻഡ് വാഷിനകത്ത് നമ്മുടെ പുതിയ 3-4 ഫ്ലേവറുകളാണ്. പിന്നെ അതിനകത്ത് കർക്കുമിനും, പിന്നെ നീം എക്സ്ട്രാക്റ്റും, പിന്നെ അവക്കാഡോഡ് എക്സ്ട്രാക്റ്റും അങ്ങനെ കുറച്ച് സംഭവങ്ങൾ ചേർത്ത് ഒരു ഡിഫറെന്റ് ഫ്ലേവേഴ്സിൽ ഇറക്കിയതാണ്. അതിന് മൂവ്മെന്റ് ഉണ്ട്. പിന്നെ കോസ്മെറ്റിക്സിൽ നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ ഒരു ഫേസ് പാക്ക് ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പം നമ്മള് ഇതിന്റെയൊക്കെ ഇൻവിട്രോ സ്റ്റഡീസ് ഒക്കെ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള, ഞാൻ ബാംഗ്ലൂരായിരുന്നു. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ഈ മെലാനിൻ ഇൻഹിബിറ്റിംഗ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കൊളാജൻ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പിന്നെ നമ്മുടെ ഈ സ്കിന്നിന്റെ മോയ്സ്ചർ റീറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഹയാലുറോണിഡേസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന എൻസൈമിനെ ആക്ടിവേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന, അങ്ങനെ കുറെ എൻസൈംസിനെയൊക്കെ ടാർഗറ്റ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് ഉള്ള കുറെ കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇത് ഫോർമുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ അതിന്റെ എൻസൈം ഇപ്പം നമ്മുടെ എംബ്ലാക്ക് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞൊരു ഫേസ് പാക്ക് ചെയ്തു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിനകത്ത് മെലാനിൻ ഇൻഹിബിഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സ് ഉണ്ട്, മെലാനിൻ ട്രാൻസ്ഫറിനെ ഇൻഹിബിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സ് ഉണ്ട്, പിന്നെ ആന്റി ഇലാസ്റ്റേസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളുണ്ട്, ആന്റി കൊളാജനൈസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്ത് അത് ആദ്യം ക്രീമായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാനാണ് നമ്മൾ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത്. പക്ഷെ ക്രീമായിട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് പിന്നെ അതിന്റെ സ്റ്റെബിലിറ്റിയും ഈ പറഞ്ഞ കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സ് ഒക്കെ ആ ഒരു ഫോർമുലേഷനിൽ സ്റ്റേബിൾ ആവുന്നില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ അത് ക്രീം മാറ്റിയിട്ട് പിന്നെ അത് മാത്രമല്ല, അതിനകത്ത് പിന്നെ കുറെ കൂടെ നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റഡീസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരും. ഇതാകുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അങ്ങനെ ഒരു പ്രശ്നം വരുന്നില്ല, അതിന്റെ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ഒരു ഗോൾഡൻ ഡ്രോപ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മളൊരു ബ്യൂട്ടി സീറം അത് ചെയ്തതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാല് നമ്മുടെ കുങ്കുമാതി തൈലം എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു കൺസെപ്റ്റിൽ ഉള്ളതാണ്. ഇപ്പൊ കുങ്കുമാതി തൈലം നമ്മൾ 10 ml മേടിക്കാനാണെങ്കിൽ 450 രൂപ ആവും. അതിനകത്ത് കുങ്കുമത്തിനാണ് വില കൂടുതൽ. അപ്പൊ ആ കുങ്കുമം മാറ്റിയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് അതേ എഫക്റ്റിലുള്ള വേറെ സ്കിൻ വൈറ്റനിങ് ആക്റ്റീവ്സ് വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത്. ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് കുങ്കുമാതി തൈലത്തിനെക്കാട്ടിലും റിസൾട്ടും ഉണ്ട്. നമുക്ക് അത് ഈ പറഞ്ഞ 10 ml 450 രൂപ എന്നുള്ളിടത്ത് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ 10 ml ഒരു 80 രൂപ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 70 രൂപയുടെ കോസ്റ്റേ വരുന്നുള്ളൂ. പിന്നെ ആ സെക്ഷനിലുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ ഒരു മോയ്സ്ചറൈസിങ് ക്രീം പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, പ്ലാന്റ് സെറമൈഡ്സ് വെച്ചിട്ട്. അത് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയിട്ടില്ല, അത് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ന്യൂട്രാസ്യൂട്ടിക്കൽ സെക്ഷനിൽ നമുക്ക് കൊളസ്ട്രോളിനെ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റി. അതായത് 2-3 എൻസൈം ടാർഗറ്റ് ചെയ്തതാണ്. ഒന്ന് CETP എന്ന് പറയും, കൊളസ്ട്രോൾ എസ്റ്റർ ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ പ്രോട്ടീൻ. പിന്നെ HMG കോയ റിഡക്ടേസ് എൻസൈം. ഈ രണ്ടെണ്ണം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒന്ന് നമ്മുടെ ലിവറിൽ കൊളസ്ട്രോളിന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ഓഫ് എൻസൈം ആണ് കൊളസ്ട്രോൾ പ്രൊഡക്ഷന്റെ. അതിനെ ഇൻഹിബിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. പിന്നെ ഈ CETP ഇൻഹിബിറ്റർ ആയിട്ട് നേരത്തെ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്ന ടോർസിട്രാപ്പ് എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്ന കെമിക്കൽസ് ഇപ്പൊ ബാൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ അതിന് ആൾട്ടർനേറ്റീവ് ആയിട്ട് നമുക്കൊരു ഹെർബൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സംഭവം ഉണ്ടെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് നല്ലവണ്ണം മാർക്കറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ ഹിറ്റ് ആവുന്ന ഒരു സംഭവമാണ്. പിന്നെ ഇത് നമ്മള് പിന്നെ ഉള്ളത് ഈ പറഞ്ഞ പല്ല് ഗം ഇൻഫ്ലമേഷന്. അത് ഈ അതിന്റെ യൂസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ പിന്നെ കാർഡിയാക്ക് പ്രശ്നമൊക്കെ ഉള്ളവർക്ക് മറ്റ് ആന്റി ഇൻഫ്ലമേറ്ററി ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഡ്രഗ്സ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. ഇപ്പം പല്ലിനൊക്കെ ഇൻഫ്ലമേഷൻ വന്ന് വേദനയൊക്കെ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ. അപ്പൊ ഇതെന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഒരു ഓയിൽ ഫോർമുലേഷൻ ആണ്. അത് നമ്മൾ ജസ്റ്റ് തലയിൽ വെച്ചാൽ മതി. ഒരു 2 days കൊണ്ട് അത് നെർവ്സ് നമ്മുടെ പിന്നെ പല്ലിന്റെ ഇതിന്റെ അകത്തായിരിക്കും, മോണയ്ക്കകത്താണ് നമ്മുടെ ബ്രെയിനിൽ നിന്ന് വന്ന് വരുന്ന നെർവ്സ് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ ആ ഇൻഫ്ലമേറ്ററി അതിനകത്ത് നമ്മൾ 3 ഇൻഫ്ലമേറ്ററി മാർക്കേഴ്സിന്റെ സ്റ്റഡി ചെയ്തു. ഒന്ന് IL-1, IL-6 പിന്നെ TNF-alpha. ഈ 3 ഇൻഹിബിഷൻ ഉള്ള കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സ് വെച്ച് എല്ലാം നമ്മൾ ഫൈറ്റോ ആണ്, ടോയ്ലറ്ററീസ് ഒഴിച്ച് ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം ഫൈറ്റോ കെമിക്കൽസ് ആണ്. അപ്പൊ അത് ബേസ് ചെയ്താണ് ഈ പറഞ്ഞ ഓയിൽ ഫോർമേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ കാർഡിയാക്ക് പ്രശ്നമുള്ളവർക്ക് ഒക്കെ ഈ ഗം ഇൻഫ്ലമേഷൻ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് ഭയങ്കര യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആണ്. ഈ സെയിം സാധനം തന്നെ നമ്മൾ ടൂത്ത് പേസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഫോർമുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഇപ്പൊ നോക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. പറഞ്ഞ ഈ ഒരു ആപ്ലിക്കേഷന്റെ രീതി മാറ്റി ഡയറക്റ്റ് പല്ലിൽ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു നോക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ സെക്ഷനില് പിന്നെ ഓവറി സിസ്റ്റ്, പിന്നെ അതിനുള്ള ഒരു ഈ ഫൈറ്റോ ഹോർമോൺസ്, ഫൈറ്റോസ്റ്റിറോൾസ് ബേസ് ചെയ്ത് നമ്മുടെ ഒരു പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ ഈ പ്രോഡക്റ്റിന്റെ ഒക്കെ നമ്മള് ആയുഷിന്റെ ടെസ്റ്റ് വരെ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഈ പറഞ്ഞ കോസ്മെറ്റിക്സിന്റെ ഇതിന്റെയും മറ്റ് ന്യൂട്രാസ്യൂട്ടിക്കൽസിന്റെയും ക്ലിനിക്കൽ ട്രയൽസിന് ഞാൻ പോയായിരുന്നു. അപ്പൊ ക്ലിനിക്കൽ ട്രയൽസിന് ഒരു സാമ്പിൾ ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ ഒരു 65,000 രൂപ ആയിരുന്നു. ഞാൻ 2017 എന്നപ്പോ അവര് പറഞ്ഞത്. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ചു നമ്മളിപ്പോ അത് ചെയ്താലും അത് മാർക്കറ്റിൽ ഇറക്കി അത് വിജയിപ്പിക്കാൻ അതിന്റെ അഡ്വർടൈസ്മെന്റ് കാര്യങ്ങളും പറ്റാത്ത കുറച്ച് പാടായിരിക്കും. അതുകൊണ്ട് അത് ഈസിലി നമുക്ക് മാർക്കറ്റിൽ എൻട്രി ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് ഞാൻ ഈ ടോയ്ലറ്ററി സെക്ഷനിലോട്ട്, FMCG സെക്ഷനിലോട്ട് നോക്കിയത്. പിന്നെ നമ്മുടെ പൈപ്പ് ലൈനില് വേറെ ഒരു ഷാംപൂ, അതായത് ആന്റി ഡാൻഡ്രഫ്, മലസേഷ്യ പെർപ്പറിനെ ഒക്കെ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ അതിന്റെ ഇൻഹിബിഷൻ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ഉള്ള കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സ് വെച്ച് ഒരു ആന്റി ഡാൻഡ്രഫ് ഷാംപൂ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. കുറെയൊക്കെ ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്, അത് ഇറക്കിയിട്ടില്ല. പിന്നെ ഒരു SPF, നമുക്കിപ്പം സൺ പ്രൊട്ടക്ഷൻ ക്രീം നമുക്ക് മാർക്കറ്റിൽ അവൈലബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ അബോബെൻസോൺ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒക്ടൈൽ മിത്തോക്സിസിന്നമേറ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സിങ്ക് ഓക്സൈഡ് ഒക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. അപ്പൊ നമുക്കൊരു 2 പ്ലാന്റ് ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസ് കിട്ടിയായിരുന്നു ആ ഒരു രീതിയിൽ UVA പിന്നെ UV പ്രൊട്ടക്ഷൻ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ഉള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ UV പ്രൊട്ടക്ഷൻ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ഉള്ളത് 2 ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസിനകത്ത് ഒരെണ്ണം കുറച്ച് സ്കിന്നിന് ഇറിറ്റേഷൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നതായതുകൊണ്ട് അത് കുറച്ചുകൂടെ നമ്മള് കുറച്ചുകൂടെ അതിനകത്ത് ഒരു റിസർച്ച് ചെയ്യാനുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ഉള്ളതൊരു ഹെയർ ഓയിലാണ്. ഹെയർ ഓയിൽ ചെയ്തത് എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മുടെ ഈ മുടി കളിക്കുന്ന ഡെർമൽ പാപ്പില്ല സെൽ അതിന്റെ പ്രോലിഫറേഷൻ കൊണ്ടാണ്. അപ്പൊ ആ ഒരു സെൽ പ്രോലിഫറേഷൻ ഉള്ള സ്റ്റഡീസ് നടത്തി അതിന്റെ ആ ഒരു സെൽ പ്രോലിഫറേഷൻ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ഉള്ള കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സും പിന്നെ ബയോആൽഫ റിഡക്ടേസ് എൻസൈം എന്നും പറഞ്ഞ് ഒരു എൻസൈം ഉണ്ട്. അതായത് നമ്മുടെ ടെസ്റ്റോസ്റ്ററോൺ ഡൈഹൈഡ്രോ ടെസ്റ്റോസ്റ്ററോൺ ആയിട്ട് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ഇത് ഡൈഹൈഡ്രോ ടെസ്റ്റോസ്റ്ററോൺ ആകുമ്പോഴാണ് മുടി കൂടുതൽ കൊഴിയുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ അതിന്റെ ആ എൻസൈമിനെ ഇൻഹിബിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതും ഡെർമൽ പാപ്പില്ല സെൽ പ്രോലിഫറേഷനും നോക്കിയിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസ് വെച്ചാണ് ഹെയർ ഓയിൽ ഫോർമുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തത്. പിന്നെ പൈപ്പ് ലൈനിൽ നമുക്ക് വേറെ കുറെ പ്രൊഡക്ട്സുകൾ ഉണ്ട്. ഇത്രയാണ് ഇപ്പം നമുക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളതും ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നതുമായത്. ഹലോ
സർ, കേൾക്കാം.
ഇത് നമ്മുടെ ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ പറയാൻ.
ഓക്കെ സർ, പാർട്ടിസിപ്പൻസിൽ ആർക്കെങ്കിലും എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ദ ഫ്ലോർ ഇസ് നൗ ഓപ്പൺ.
നമസ്കാരം. ഈ പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം ആയുർവേദവുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടുള്ളതാണോ അതോ
ആയുർവേദം അല്ല, ആയുർവേദം എന്ന് പറയാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. കാരണം ഹലോ
കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട് സർ, പറഞ്ഞു.
അല്ല, ആയുർവേദം എന്ന് പറയാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. കാരണം ആയുർവേദം നമ്മളിപ്പോ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു സംഹിത ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. ഇത് നമ്മളിപ്പോ അല്ലാതെ നമ്മൾ ഫൈറ്റോ കെമിക്കൽ ഐസൊലേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് അതിന്റെ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി മനസ്സിലാക്കി അങ്ങനെ ഫോർമുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. ആയുർവേദമായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് പറയാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല.
ഈ ഫൈറ്റോ കെമിക്കൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നതിന്റെ എക്സ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ പ്യൂർലി പ്ലാന്റ്സിൽ നിന്നാണോ അതോ അതിന്റെ കെമിക്കൽ കോമ്പിനേഷൻ മനസ്സിലാക്കിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ആർട്ടിഫിഷ്യൽ ആയിട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കുക?
ആർട്ടിഫിഷ്യൽ ആയിട്ട് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നില്ല, പ്ലാന്റിൽ നിന്ന് എക്സ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന എടുക്കുന്നതാണ്.
അപ്പം ഈ ഒരു മാസ് പ്രൊഡക്ഷനിലേക്കൊക്കെ വരുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടാൻ മാത്രമുള്ള ഒരു അവൈലബിലിറ്റി ഇതിനകത്ത് ഉണ്ടാവും. അതായത് ഈ പറയുന്ന കൺസെപ്റ്റിൽ മൊത്തം ഫൈറ്റോ കെമിക്കൽസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇത്രയും കൺസെപ്ഷൻ വരുവാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ടാബ്ലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും?
നമുക്കിപ്പോ ഈ ഇങ്ങനെ ഫൈറ്റോ കെമിക്കൽ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ ഐറ്റംസ് എല്ലാം ചെയ്തെടുക്കുന്ന കമ്പനികളുണ്ട്. നമ്മൾ അവരുടെ ഇത് നമ്മുടെ റോ മെറ്റീരിയൽ മേടിക്കാം. പിന്നെ കുറെയൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് ഈ പറഞ്ഞ കുറച്ച് ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസ് ഒക്കെ നമുക്ക് പിന്നെ അങ്ങനെ കിട്ടാത്തതുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ അവൈലബിൾ ആണ്. അത് നമ്മൾ ആരെങ്കിലും കൊണ്ടൊക്കെ കളക്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരും. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഡ്രോബാക്കേ ഉള്ളൂ. ബാക്കി ഒരുമാതിരി എല്ലാം നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഫൈറ്റോ കെമിക്കൽ എക്സ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന കമ്പനികളിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് മേടിക്കാം.
ഈ കെമിക്കൽ ബേസ്ഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രോഡക്ട്സ് അവരുടെ അവൈലബിൾ ആയതിനേക്കാളും ചീപ്പായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് കൊടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ അതോ നമുക്ക് ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി റേറ്റ് കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും?
കെമിക്കൽ ബേസ്ഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രോഡക്റ്റിനെക്കാട്ടി ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ഉള്ള സംഭവമായിരിക്കും. പിന്നെ റേറ്റ് വലിയ ഡിഫറൻസ് ഒന്നും വരുത്തൊന്നുമില്ല. നമുക്കൊരു നോർമൽ റേഞ്ചിൽ അത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും.
മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നത് ഓരോ പ്രശ്നത്തിന്റെയും ബേസിക് കോസ് മനസ്സിലാക്കി അതിനകത്തുള്ള നാച്ചുറൽ ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസ് മനസ്സിലാക്കി അതിനനുസരിച്ചുള്ള ഒരു പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് സാറ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്.
അതെ.
ആശയം വളരെ വ്യത്യസ്തവും മനോഹരവുമാണ്. അപ്പൊ എന്തെങ്കിലും നന്നായിട്ട് നടക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
താങ്ക്സ്.
Thank you, sir. Can we move to the next presentation? Now let me welcome Mr. Shaji Jacob to explain about his product C Care Plus. Sir, please.
Now I'm audible now, I think.
Sure. Yes, sir.
Okay. You can see my screen now at the moment.
Yes, sir. We can see the screen. Can you put it in the slideshow mode as well?
Yeah. Okay, great. Now it's in full screen. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Good morning, all the Rink team and MGU team. I'm just representing MGU at this moment. I'm Shaji Jacob. I'm basically an electrical engineer. So, and my specialization in electrical energy systems. I have a lot of industrial and academic experience and R&D experience in various countries. So here I'm just mentioning about the two really important devices, which is very apt for the present situation, especially. That one is in our pandemic situation. And we have developed two type of machines at the moment. One is for sea care, that one we call the current sea care plus. And the next one is a Purosol, that is a air disinfection. We are intensively doing research in air disinfection, surface disinfection, basically. And the product is came out based on the principle in a UVC, that is ultraviolet C band. That is the principle we call it's a UVGI, ultraviolet germicidal irradiance. That is a basic principle that we are following. The company is a Tision HSC LLP. That one we are mainly concentrating on health, safety, and environment. That is our, we are expert in that area. I am also representing the Scandinavian country as an HSC representative. So, the problem, I would say that one, it was happened in the first wave. We started a research on an air quality index, basically. And the first wave, the COVID wave, the pandemic came, the DRDO, we are a working associate with DRDO, NPOIL in Kochi. And this assigned a task is a problem that they find in Institution of Engineers India. And the director, Engineer Vijayan Pillai, he's actually indicated this because that time the COVID, whatever it is spreading through the currency, coins, etc. Then it is the task is assigned to our company, that is to me, and we started working something around 2.5 years before. That is a long back. And then we came up with a solution. That one is called the sea care. And what is actually the problem that time is facing? This type of machine is a currency disinfection machine. Actually, they are using in the market. The basic principle is not 100% disinfection. The exposure of UVC light is not possible. And this is actually a unique concept at this moment. Nobody is in the world is making this type of machine at the moment. So it is a monopoly, I would say like that. See, this is the currency care UVC plus. That means it can use it for disinfecting the surface disinfection, and that means it can taint it on the plastic notes as well as the currency note, the paper currency, etc., the bank cards, coins, that will passing through this machine one by one, and it turn it around and 100% exposure. That is the uniqueness of this device. So this is an airborne diseases. Not only we are talking about the corona at this moment, but we are expecting a lot of, because we are doing a lot of research in connected with the CSIR regarding this. The air samples, the test result from CSIR is not favorable. For your kind information, I can't reveal all the information, but we are taking the air samples across India in many places, like a train, buses, the malls, some public places, we are taking the air samples and collecting this. So that is, this virus is still in the air. So anyway, the result is not favorable for us. And the thing is, we started the next generation of air disinfection system by using the CSIR labs. And how to say like this is a totally validated and tested and approved by CSIR. That one is a Purosol air disinfection product. And basically that one is not for the coronavirus, not only for the coronavirus, but it is a similar type of harmful pathogens that we breathe, okay, that is suspended in air. So this is a very important and it is a relevant and apt product for this at the moment. And it is actually have a very good future. So I'm just coming to the first of the product, that is a sea care. It is a very unique one, means no other machine is available in the world for disinfecting currency, coins and cards, etc. by one. The present situation, the lot of devices are in the market for a money disinfection. What we are doing now, because all the people putting the bundle of currency and put it inside the UVC chamber and keep it for 10 minutes or 5 minutes, and it will give to the customer. Okay, this is disinfected. Honestly, it is not doing the surface disinfection. In principle, this is only disinfecting the surface of the bundle. Whatever it is inside the bundle, the nodes, it is not disinfected. That is the main problem. So that one, we had a very good solution for this, and we are using ultraviolet technology, and this is just breaking the DNA or RNA structure to avoid the replication. So we are inactivating the viruses, and the same thing we can use it for other pathogens like a virus, bacteria, fungus, etc., what are tainted on the nodes. So this is actually, we have integrated and a feature like this can be used at the moment for counting the money and the coins. Actually, we are not just to disinfect the coin, it's not counting, but the currency note, we can count it properly. And it will inactivate more than 99.9% of bacteria, especially in coronavirus, I would say like that. The thing is, the disinfection chamber, I will just explain, okay, a little bit more. And anyway, what we are doing now is taking the nodes one by one, and it is going to the disinfection chamber in the UVC environment. We provided adequate amount of light, UVC dosage we call, that is irradiance multiplied by the time. That one is we call the dosage. That adequate dosage, we ensure that, okay, it is applying while these current nodes are passing through the chamber. That is our interesting point. See, this is the next one we call, it is an air disinfection system. That is we installed across India in many places, and it is installed in Indian Parliament, and I would say like that in Indian Railway, and we are trying to put that one in several places in Kerala, and a lot of things we have installed. We are also making a standalone system, and this is the big system for centralized AC, because the central government is actually insisted us to more importance on a centralized air conditioning system. We call the HVAC system. In their duct are there. We are making this type of things. We call this is the one we call, this is an induct device. This is in collaboration with the CSIR. We did this, and this is a CE certified, and all the safety things are there. And we have a capacity for the computation fluid dynamics studies, airflow studies, the raise optometric studies, and everything we can do. That is the capacity we have at the moment in association with the CSIR. And this is actually approved by the CSIR and as well as the government of India. So there are lot of other features. Okay, we don't have much time to say about. And these are the product. We can use it, the variety. This is our currency disinfection machine. That is the internal part. And this is the duct type of Purosol. We call the name. It is approved by CSIR. And in this case, MG University is helping a lot for a UVC calculation, etc. for a currency disinfection machine. They are actually supporting well in this case. And these are the product. We have different types of air disinfection devices and the intake device. This is the for bus and train and some places. And even in Ernakulam, we have installed a separate big system, something around 30,000 square feet area. We are disinfecting now for one big, a temporary shed. That one is that is in Kochi. That one we are using, and the government is actually approached us to doing that one. So, and these are our products, and we can put in buses, train, etc. And the money counting machine, actually money counting plus the disinfection machine can be used for, it's a wide market, and it can be used in bank, because this was actually triggered by the Reserve Bank of India to DRDO. The DRDO is assigned to me to do this task to develop this C-Care machine. See, the thing is, what is the status of our machine? That is very important for a currency disinfection. We have a counting feature. we have a assuring more than 99% of the surface disinfection that no one can demand at this moment. And then what we need to do, and this is the product, it is just a little bit bulky. That one we approached some many organizations, banks, etc. And they assigned us to do something modification on the existing product. Then it will have a very good market. First one is, okay, we want to make it more compact. The process is going on. The R&D development team, we have 4 people working together for making this. And there's an additional things to be added, that is a fake note detection. That is an additional feature we need to add it. And make it more aesthetics. So actually we are now concentrating on air disinfection. That is the reason why I couldn't spend much time for this one. I'm expecting 3 months. And for your kind information, all the participants and the panelists, you just understand, in India, no company is making currency counting machine. Everything is, entire thing is we are importing from China or from Germany or in Japan. No company in India is making currency. So what I am saying that one, it's a make in India company. I would say if currency counting, fake note detection plus air disinfection, sorry, the note disinfection all together in a one machine is a combi, that will have definitely will have a very good market. Actually, we want to explore the market, and we need some time, and we need some money, and we need to what do you call some export and for commercialization of this. This product can be sold, but it was working well. And even CSIR is actually agreed to certify our product. So even DRDO is actually involved in the design, and they did all the calculation for us. So what I'm saying, the additional 3 months, we can come up with this, because if we need a market means we need to make it more compact. We have to add the fake note detection property, the feature, and more aesthetic. Then definitely this will have a future. And Purosol, actually, we are in a good shape, and we have started something like a new marketing and sales office in Kochi, and we started selling, and we are grabbing the market. Actually, we are getting several orders, international orders. Also, we are getting some companies, American company. Recently, in a smart city, we got a very good order. So this is about, okay, these are 10 minutes. I think I almost took more than 10 minutes, I would say, to conclude. And this is the company is located in Kottayam, and we have an office in Palai, and in another one is in Vaitila, Kochi. So this is our status at this moment, and we need to grab the market, and we need to grow the market. Definitely, we have a chance or opportunity to bring this is a startup company to grab the market in internationally well popular within 1 or 2 years. That is our target, and we set the team now. Okay, thank you very much for Rink, and as opportunity as given to MGU also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. That is a very interesting 2 products. We are also assuming that you'll add more additions as you have said. The floor is now open for questions.
Sir, good morning. I am Francis. I would like to ask you 2 questions. One, what will be the wavelength of the UV light radiations that you are using in your system?
Yes, this is a good question. I would say that one is in a UVC. That means we are exactly using the wavelength of 254 nanometer. That is the wavelength of the UVC light that we are using, and make sure that it is not generating any ozone. So this is the wavelength that is apt for germicidal application. So it is actually the technologies we are using more than 90 years. So this is a non-technology, but what we did, we have to calculate how much is the dosage, this wavelength, how much we need to apply for inactivating virus, bacteria, fungus, etc. That is validated and tested in 7 labs in CSIR. And the same thing is in a surface disinfection. This the particular dosage is nobody is evaluated in the world. Actually, I would say like that CSIR did that job. So 254, that is a germicidal application. That is the apt one at this moment.
In addition to your comment, how you are saying that dosage will be same for all viruses, or it will depend upon virus to virus or bacteria to virus, something like that?
I would say the most of the case, yes, I would say that one in the most of cases, the dosage value is actually mainly we are concentrating at this moment for a coronavirus SARS version 2. Nobody has tested this. CSIR is tested for us. And then that value is sufficient for inactivating. For your kind information, I will tell you, the currency disinfection machine, we have used 30 times more than the required dosage we applied for then you realize that, because even from the beginning for the last 2 years we were continuously finding the possibility for the how much is the adequate dosage required for inactivating virus, bacteria, etc. So what happened means finally CSIR is agreed. We approached many international organizations, but CSIR actually initiated the second wave came. Then the government is awake and arise, and then I realized that okay, what is the value is required, because we need to find out the optimum value, because the cost we need to consider. There are several technologies available. Even we can increase the capacity, but optimum dosage we put it that is sufficient for coronavirus and similar viruses. Then bacteria, fungus is not required that much energy. But in fact, I would say that, for example, okay, your question is valid. For example, tuberculosis, TB is, I think that is needed more than the required amount. That will be what will be called something like, okay, this will act after some time. Even we apply this amount for coronavirus, etc. We applied. That is not well suited for completely inactivating tuberculosis. Just for your kind information, because even we can apply. It is possible. We can just increase the power of the UV light, that is the irradiance, the flux we have to increase. Then definitely it will work. But at presently, this is the amount we are using. We can increase.
Yeah. Sir, further few more questions. One is that I have learned that some fading effects will be there once we expose the paper content to UVC. So do you have learned through that further exposing the notes and cache to the UVC will have some degrading effects in the building quality? And second thing is that what will be the thickness of the paper that we have in a cache of Indian rupees? Whether you are going for a bundle as a wall, or you take separate pieces of
your
paper
voice
and
is, excuse me, sir. It's okay. Your voice is. I'm not getting your
am
voice.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah. Now it's a perfect. Okay. Could you please repeat?
Yeah. So sorry. So my question was that I have learned that some fading effects are there for a UVC purpose usage in papers. So do you have learned the effect of UVC exposure to our Indian currency? Is there any fading effects on that? I don't. I am just the initial study. And second thing is that whether you are using the system in such a way that you are putting up the entire cache as a wall, and you are making sure that everything is separated into each and single piece, and you are disinfecting it. And third question is that do you have any other additions so that we can have disinfection for other objects like mobile phone or daily use activity?
You are talking about the surface disinfection, whether the currency notes will be deteriorated after some time exposure of the currency notes.
Yes.
That was the first question. Am I correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I will tell you. According to our Reserve Bank of India, okay, every year, okay, we are taking the old notes back, and they are make it a new one. It's some sort of recycling process is there. So yeah, after it's something like, I would say that is a few seconds it is passing through the environment. That is good enough to inactivate all these type of pathogens. So we found that one, it is not a problem at all. And for example, if it is continuously like, okay, like in a normal case in the market, they are putting this the nodes in a 10 minutes time. Actually, that may affect the color shading, etc. after some time, because it's not happening for a 5 times or 6 times or 10 times disinfection. Within that time, okay, the Reserve Bank of India collect the nodes and take it the new one. So that is not it was studied well, and it is realized that for by using our device, this is not a problem. DRDO actually took into consideration about this property, and we actually discussed intensively about this issue, and we came to the conclusion that it will work, and there is no harmful effect for the currency nodes. And honestly, if your example, if you are talking about the mobile phone, such type of things, okay, we can integrate definitely, but it is a keeping a for example, it should be a UV stable material. Whatever we are using inside the machine is a UV stable material. It will not change the property or the chemical property of the material. Even if you use a plastic, for example, in a mobile phone, maybe after 1 year, the complete color will be shaded, and then you can't use it after 1 year. So maybe for a few seconds is not an issue. It's actually not good for the skin and eyes. That one is not exposing to the skin, human. That is not good, because we are make sure that, okay, at any cost, the UVC light will not go outside from our disinfection chamber. That is a checklist we have, the test certificate we have. That is the only way we have to sell the product, because it's the human safety is very important, because as long as TCO on HSE is more concentrated on health, safety, and environment, no compromise in that. See, we make sure that no light is coming out.
Thanks for the beautiful answers. One more last question, sir. What about the price range? Whether it will be affordable for every common public, or
that one is interesting, because our currency disinfection machine, that one we need to integrate more feature. And then I would say that one presently in the market, what we say that this type of a currency counting machines are available, that the cost is coming from 7,000 to something is the biggest features, okay, some 35,000, something like that. That is they are using in the bank. But in our case, what we are thinking, this the cost with the disinfection and everything, the cost should be less than 25,000. Even sorry. Sorry. Okay. Hello, I'm sorry. Okay, can you hear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Just okay. The phone is, I forget to put it in a mode, silent mode. Sorry. The point is, the cost will be if we have added all these features like fake note detection, plus currency disinfection, plus we have to make it compact, and the cost should be less than 20,000. That one is a very mass production we need, because even you can imagine that, okay, all the banks is requiring this type of device, because this type of pandemic situation, corona, everything, that type of things will come up again. And the mutation is okay. I don't want to make it panic the audience. There are some mutations are coming up, and then we have to cope up with the situation, and this is required, and we can make it. That one, the cost less than 20,000. And no, the interesting thing is, no other company is there. So we have a monopoly in this case. If somebody is interested, okay, then you can join that as well. It's not something any investor or somebody is there. And this is a very good project. And the government will be approved that one, the product, that process is going on. Once it is there, we can sell it in less than 20,000. So all the features, disinfection, currency, fake note detection, everything. We can submit, place it everywhere. So that your Purosol, that one is the air disinfection, that is the cost is fixed actually. We have a standalone system. That one we are selling with 13,000 rupees. That is the smallest one. and then 15,000 rupees for the medium one, and the biggest one is we called mini 3. That one for a big conference room, etc. It's covered 300 square feet area. That is the cost is 19,000 rupees. And the duct type, that one is we are using normally installing in Parliament and that type of things. The biggest system, the cost will be a bit higher. That one depends on the. This is a tailor method. For each customer, we are designing the system for the customer. So, for example, in a smart city, we have a 6-floor building that we have taking what is the velocity and the duct size and the tonnage capacity. We will take into account and have a visit there in the site and collecting the information. Based on that, we will do the CFD analysis, optometric studies, we call the race analysis, and we calculate the optimum dosage required, and we apply it, test it, and we will issue the certificate on behalf of CSI. This is what actually we are doing. That cost is a bit higher. I would say that depends on the project to project, it will vary. So the minimum, I would say that one, it is something around, you can imagine that one centralized small jewelry or a textile, that cost is something around 1 lakh rupees.
Sorry to interrupt. Can we summarize in 30 seconds or so?
Okay, thank you. I will do that. Okay, let me conclude. This is the product. The 2 products I have mentioned. The first one is the currency disinfection machine we called C-Care, Currency Care Plus, UVC Plus, that's the name. And the second one is the air disinfection system. So we are TCON HSE, the company, we are mainly concentrating on health, safety, and environment. We have find out a lot of solutions. We have a research team here. We are looking for investors or somebody is really interested in this is the very scope in that project and the products that what we are working on. So anyone who are interested in investors or anyone is in the organization to getting some fund, and we will definitely grab the market and we will grow. And that is the help we are expecting from the teams who was hearing me. And thank you very much. And our air disinfection product is very valid at the moment. It is installing everywhere. We in other states as well. So foreign companies also contacted us. So it's in a moving in a good direction, and we really need to help from people and from the government for making this India's indigenously developed currency counting machine plus disinfectant. Thank you very much for the time. Thank you MGU, and thank you Rink people and OK who's organizing this event, the demo day. Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. We have 4 more presentations by Dr. Jobin, Dr. Dhanraj, Srijitas, and Aishwarya Satyan. So next we will move on to Dia Naturals by Dr. Jobin. Sir, please.
Good morning. Hello. Hello, Kekava. Good morning. Sherry.
Dr. Sweetie, Anu?
Yes.
Okay.
We are presenting our product, Dia Natural Health, and this is a patented Ayurvedic product for enhancing blood circulation in ischemic patients and prevent all diabetic complication and amputation. And importance of this product. Diabetes means die by bits, a chronic lifestyle disease. And diabetic patients prone to many food problems, mainly after 10 years. And this is due to tissue starvation. And this patients face to problem ischemia and neuropathy. Ischemia is poor blood circulation and resulting ability to heal even minor wound. And neuropathy is damage to nerve system and leading to loss of sensation. And due to ischemia and neuropathy, lead to food ulcer, and this lead to amputation. An International Diabetic Federation survey 2005, 70% amputation related to diabetes, and every 30 seconds, one leg is amputated in the weight due to diabetes. Now it reaches in 10 seconds. Even after amputation, the ulcer may appear in another limb, leading to secondary amputation. And also lifespan decrease 6 to 36 months due to cardiac problem. And the significance and spending trillions of dollars in medical research in diabetic healthcare, but incidence of diabetes and its complication have increased. In medical science, amputation takes in before the blow. In our system, we only remove dead tissues only. Because in antibiotic can work in minimum blood circulation, especially in diabetic foot ulcer, and also it make negative effect. And also diabetic decrease blood circulation and reduce the elimination of toxin. And so that it lead to internal complication and bargaining sin and amputation. And our product preventing all diabetic complication, improving general health also, and by correcting microcirculation. Next slide. Our product and features, and it enhance micro and collateral blood circulation and help to elimination of toxins and replacement of dead tissues and supply enough oxygen to the old tissues and restart angiogenesis capacity of the body, that is development of new blood vessels and helping to healing. And results, patients get good sensation and also discoloration and cure of wound without secondary infection. And we are presenting the case study. And this is the first case study. And doctor prescribed for amputation because of unhealed ulcer and neuropathy condition. And start of herbal formulation, blood circulation is started, and it showed the sign of elimination of pus, and then blood angiogenesis restarted, and within 4 months it completely cured. And the second case study of another patient, and patients also bedridden and general health is very poor, and start herbal formulation, blood circulation restart, getting good sensation. And second photo, we can see the angiogenesis, that is formation of new blood vessels and their bloody tissues. And after 4 months, it is healed 80%. And we can see the 7 layer of skin in the third photos. And also the last photo, after 5 years of healing and without secondary infection. This is a unique Ayurvedic holistic product and a clinical trial with the guidance of CCRAS. And Ayurvedic patent, we have also Ayurvedic patent license, and we have doing research in this field in last 14 years, and research increasing the efficacy and product development. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
We are now open for questions.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we are waiting for the participants to ask questions.
Okay, welcome. Welcome.
Sir, out of curiosity, ഈ പ്രോസസ്സ് ചെയ്തു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ 3 months 4 monthsനകത്ത് ഇവരുടെ ടിഷ്യൂസ് ഒക്കെ റിപ്പയർഡ് ആയി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ, എത്ര പേഷ്യൻസിൽ അത് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് സർ. ജോബിൻ സർ. Sweetie ma'am, I think you are on mute if you're trying to talk. I think there is some technical error. We can come back to the questions if we have more questions in the chat or anybody is asking questions. Let's move on to the next presentation by Dr. Jisha and Helsina. On behalf of Dr. Jisha and Helsina, Mr. Thanraj will be presenting on encapsulated bacterial biopesticides. Sir, please.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible? Hello?
Sir, we can see the screen.
Okay.
You put it, yes, on the slideshow.
Slides are visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So I am Dhanraj. I'm a research scholar pursuing PhD under Dr. Jisha MS. I am presenting this product on behalf of Dr. Jisha MS and Helsina. So product name is encapsulated bacterial biopesticide. So the problem is mainly banana pseudostem weevil is like it's a very one of the most devastating pest of banana plantains, and it affects the stem, normally 5 months old plant, and causes a drastic decline in banana production. So in case of severe infections, plants produce only very small bunches of banana, and the stems will bend over and collapse before the maturation. So presently the chemical treatments are available, but they have a very side effect, many side effects, and also it is very less effective and causes very residual effects, and also it will affect the product quality of fruits. Chemical treatment is reported to be very ineffective in case of severe infection, and also infection will spread rapidly in entire cultivation area, is reported to difficult to control by the chemical methods. Also chemical methods will cause many environmental issues also. It is estimated that mostly 10 to 90% of yield loss is reported due to this banana pseudostem weevil. So here this calls for an urgent need to an eco-friendly approach to mitigate this pest. So how we solving this problem is by formulating a biopesticides, and application of this biopesticides in the banana pseudostem thrice in the cultivation period will help to reduce the infestation of pests and also to enhance the growth of plants. So about the product and its feature, it is a powder-based formulation with the bacteria as an active ingredient, which is encapsulated inside a gelatin capsule. And the rapid disintegration nature of this gelatin capsule will lead to release out the active agent to the pseudostem sheets, and it will target the grubs of the pest, that is larvae of the pest. So it will target and kill the pest larvae. And this encapsulation of the product will protect the product from contaminants and also from UV radiation and other disturbances. And capsule-based formulation will increase the multiplication of bacterial colonies in the formulation and also increase the shelf life of the product. And it is very easy to carry, and also it is in capsule form. And so it is very user friendly to the farmers because we don't have any much more procedures to apply it to the field. We can directly insert the capsule into the pseudostem. So this is the image of the product. Now the status is field trials are going on. As far as we got results, it's very satisfactory, and we are hoping for the best implementation of the product. The complete field trial is not over now, so that's the current status. And contact details: Dr. Disha Ambas and Mrs. Helsina, Mrs. Scholar, Institute of Plant Science Technology, Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam. Thank you. Hello.
Thank you, sir. Participants can ask questions or doubts. Sir, what would be the market rate or cost for the product?
Actually, its field trial was not over. The product, the value or the rate is not at decided, because we have to get a complete field trial results and all. We have to, as far as now, the results were, this little amount of results have got that was satisfactory, but still more results have to be gathered. So after that, after successful establishment of work, we want to know whether it is worked very well in all climates and all those things. So after that only we can, I think we can go for a like fixing a rate to this.
Okay.
So about the rate and all, I think we can for further discussions, can contact Dr. Disha ma'am for that.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's move on to the next product. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Next is Nano Power. We would request Mr. Srijit, yes, and Radhakrishnan sir for the same. Also, we have 2 questions in the message box. Anurup sir, can we take this after the presentation so that discussion can be possible? Thank you.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, all. I am presenting a product named Nano Power. We have developed in our microbiology laboratory, School of Life Sciences. It is actually a chitosan nanoparticle-based plant immunity enhancer. So basically, we have focused this for as an alternative for chemical fungicides. It is actually against fungal infections. So the problem is short-term vegetable crops faces a lot of problems regarding fungal diseases. So the farmers have been facing huge losses regarding this. and there is only method for an effective control against fungal disease is through a chemical fungicide. So we plan here to provide a natural immunity by nanopower. Actually, this is chitosan nano particles with some vital mineral formulation. So by spraying this, plant will initiate an immune response against most of the fungal diseases, and this act like a phytovaccine. So this is a blend of chitosan nanoparticle, chitosan nanofibers, vital minerals, and this could enhance the plant immunity against a wide range of microorganisms. And in this product, we focus on fungal diseases. So this product could act as a phytovaccine. The plant could sense the chitosan and chitin molecules by the molecular pattern recognizers, and they will produce immune reactions and immune enzymes, which will protect them from fungal infections. So this is actually available in foliar spray application. That is the most recommended one, and as also a concentrated gel form. So this is a image of the product. So we have actually finished the testing, and one technology transfer has been completed with Agrobiotech Industries in Kottayam. And so Nanopower is actually ready to launch in market. These are some experimental evidence. This is a proof for chitosan nanoparticle that's present in the Nanopower. So we have done many treatments with actually Solanum, Melagina, brinjal, and cowpea as a model plant systems. And after treating the plant with nanopower, we have induced the infections using Isotonium solani. It is actually a plant pathogen, and we clearly observed that control plants which were not treated with nanopower were died. It were actually diseased, and that nanopower treated plant got a promising protection. This is the difference between treated and untreated plants. This is also the Rhizotonia infection in root and stem. You can see the necrotic tissues here, but the treated plant is completely protected. We have also this is a graph showing high disease induction in control plants, and there is less disease induction in chitosan treated plant. So this is brinjal plants. We have also evaluated the enzyme activities. Actually, this is peroxidase enzyme. As a part of immune reaction, the plant is producing more peroxidase enzyme. That is actually an evidence of immune reactions. This is chitinase enzyme activity. Since we are using chitosan and chitin formulations, chitosan formulations, the plant and also the microbes inside the plant will produce chitinase enzyme enormously, so that they could fight against the fungal diseases, the fungal microorganisms. So this is the evidence for that. So the formulation is almost completed, and the testing has been done. So we are ready to launch. So this is the contact details. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now the floor is open for questions. Sir, you mentioned that the product is ready and ready to go to the market.
Yes.
Is there any use cases by the farmers or?
Actually, all those studies are doing by our industrial partner, Agrobiotech Research Center. They have used this in their fields and they got promising results. And continuously they are collecting results in each season. So yeah, we have positive results.
Do you have a competitor in this particular product?
A chitosan based formulation is new area to explore. So there are growing competitions, but since now there is very less products regarding this. Chitin products have been there. People are using chitin products as a fertilizer and all. But chitosan, it is very rare, and these days there are many competitors are arising. So we expect a competition in future actually.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the presentation. Can we move to the next presentation if we do not have any more questions? So we are moving to the next presentation by Ms. Aishwarya Satyan for Nano Seal Technology Within You. Ma'am, please.
Good morning, ma'am. Let me share my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope the screen is visible to you, right?
Yes, ma'am, the screen is visible. We would request you to put in the presentation view. Also, can you talk a little more louder, or can you move your headset if you're using a headset towards?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, sure. Good morning to all. My name is Aishwarya Satyan, and thank you for this opportunity. So I'm currently working with Professor Dr. Sabu Thomas, and I have come up with an idea of nanoseal technology within you, where you can seal your fresh produce. So I'm trying to solve the lack of post-harvest technology and issue of each customer to get a poison-free or chemical-free fresh produce. So our product is NanoSeal, which is a bio-based product, which is fully derived from the natural resource. And this product will help to increase its shelf life of fruits and vegetables. So we are focusing the issue of each customer to get a poison-free food. At the same time, we are trying to have a post-harvest technology too. So about my project, this product value your health by providing the best service. Also, the current existing market product have edible coating, non-toxic, and they have extended shelf life. Other than this, I'm trying to include extra features to make my product unique. So I have, for my product, it is non-sticky, it have extended shelf life, it is a good edible coating, it is safe and transparent, it is biodegradable, non-toxic, zero waste packaging, and can encapsulate multiple properties. When I'm talking about the encapsulation of multiple properties, it can be as per the customer desire. So if the customer desire is to encapsulate antioxidant, we can encapsulate antioxidants or anti-browning agents or antiviral agents or antibacterial, or even you can add nutrients for anti-nutrient. And this nano coating, you can coat on A to Z vegetables and fruits. Most of the edible coating which are used to coat on very expensive fruits or vegetables. So my product can coat on any kind of vegetables or fruits, and this will help in reducing the packaging cost. And because of these features, this will be a unique selling product in the market. As you can see on the left side of the screen, you can see the sample which I synthesized from the laboratory scale, and I tried to coat this formulation on the fruits and vegetable by using a fruit coating machine. So this technology used for the manufacture of this machine is low cost, economic, and eco-friendly. And this have a multiple purpose machine. We can use it for spraying the nano dispersion. Also, at the same time, we can make edible Philips using this particular machine. And this is the picture I took on the 21st day after coating. And as you can see the difference between the fruit and the vegetable, their extended shelf life. So my current status of my product is I have completed the preliminary stage. 50% of the work is completed, and I have the prototype with me. And I have to, if I want to make it as a product, I have to get an ideal nano formulation. Also, this is the time which I'm required to make it as a startup company. And if you are interested in my project, please feel to contact me, and thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We will now listen to the questions or feedbacks.
Okay, ma'am.
Or doubts.
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, this will take അതൊരു 20 days വരെ ഒക്കെ അല്ലേ ഇത് ഇങ്ങനെ പ്രിസർവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്?
Yes, ma'am.
അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അതിന്റെ ബയേഴ്സോ അതിന്റെ അങ്ങനെയുള്ള എത്ര പേരുണ്ടാവും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അങ്ങനെ ഒരു പൊട്ടൻഷ്യൽ കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സ് ആരൊക്കെയാണ്?
Ma'am, in the international market, there are companies which they use the nano coating, and most of them are using the natural waxes. So instead of using the natural waxes, I'm trying to incorporate the natural ingredients to make a nano coating. So if you coat it on the fruits and vegetable, when you buy from the market, you don't want to wash it. You can just directly, you can have that fruit or vegetable. Am I clear to you?
Ma'am, the product is actually both the machine and the liquid, right?
The machine is already we have, and the product is the prototype is I'm talking about.
Okay. Now I have a doubt. How are we managing if we have a larger quantity of the fruits, or how are we taking care if it is a larger quantity?
So for now, for a small scale industry, this machine is affordable for that. And if we are moving to another large industry, we required more efficient spray coating machine.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
So we will open for general questions and the questions of the previous presentations as well. We'll start with Anrup sir. Anrup sir, you have given, we have given you the mic access, access to talk. If you would like to talk, you can, or I can read out the messages. The first question is, Anrup sir is working on a sustainable product creation. This is with respect to the pineapple fiber extraction. I think Siko sir, you are available to answer this question? Siko sir?
Ma'am, Siko is in another meeting, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, ma'am, you can share Siko's mail ID to the audience.
Will
Yeah.
anybody else in your team would like to take this question, or we can direct him directly to Siko sir via email?
Yeah, we can direct him to Siko sir via email.
Andrew sir, will that be fine?
That will be fine, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Any questions with respect to the facilities or the opportunities available with MG University, the research facilities or the opportunities there you would like to discuss? I'm assuming everything was done neatly and correctly so that nobody has any doubt. So I would now request Mr. Varun from Kerala Startup Mission for the thank you note.
Thank you, Sharni. That was a wonderful 2 hours discussion session, and all the innovators were, the ideas were really good, and we definitely hope that this platform would take it to newer heights. So thank you everyone for being part of Rink Demo Day. As you know, Rink primarily tries to bridge the gap between translation research and entrepreneurship. Thank you, Mahatma Gandhi University, for hosting the Demo Day for this month, and a special thanks to Dr. Sabu Thomas, who is the Vice Chancellor of MG University, Dr. C.T. Arvind Kumar, Pro VC, MG University, and sincere thanks to Ajay sir, Sudhir sir, and Deepak Palachandran sir for your presence here, and Professor Francis Joseph, who is the faculty of Carmel Polytechnic, for the relevant and active participation, and also Mr. M.D. Matthew sir from St. Kitts College. Special thanks to Radhakrishnan sir and Chandana ma'am. Without them, the demo day would not have been possible for their active participation and help us in coordinating the event. It gives us immense pleasure to acknowledge the presence of all the participants here. We are really happy that you came here and put up the questions, and we are, as I said, we are definitely looking forward to commercialize all these products, and we would be definitely supporting these innovations from our side as well. So before I wind up, I'd like to add a few details. I'd like to tell you a bit about what the Rink is all about. So who can be part of the Rink? Anybody who is considering the possibility of collaborating with a research institute or creating your own venture with a societal impact, or to create businesses around cutting edge technology, can be part of Rink. Rink gives you the opportunity to experience and get connected with potential collaborators. So my sincere request is all of you to onboard to our Rink platform, and which we have developed in association with CDAC, which is basically to connect all the stakeholders together and to to create new enterprises out of that. So any R&D institution, entrepreneur, mentor, corporate investor, research scholar can be part of the platform. So we welcome you all to join. So we'll be sending out the link to all the participants today. So it is rink.startupmission.in, and you can get, if you are having any doubts, you can please write to rink@startupmission.in if you are facing any issues, or if you are having any doubts regarding onboarding to the platform. And finally, on behalf of the entire KSM team and the MG University, I sincerely thank and acknowledge everyone of you who have attended the session and actively engaging in the discussion and making the demo day meaningful. So have a good day, and hoping to see all of you in the upcoming demo day as well. Stay safe and stay connected. Thank you so much.